Hey there, remodeling pros. 2024 was quite the roller coaster for the construction industry. Rising material costs, labor shortages, and of course, demanding clients. But guess what? Despite the challenges, homeowners are still investing in their dream spaces, and that means opportunities are knocking. As we roll into 2025, it's time to elevate your game and stay ahead of the curve. In this video, I'm sharing 10 New Year resolution ideas that can help you adapt, grow, and dominate the residential remodeling market. Let's dive in and I'll give you some ideas so you can crush 2025. Resolution number one, get better at digital marketing. If you're not leveraging digital marketing yet, you're leaving serious money on the table. Homeowners are all over the internet on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and of course, Google, searching for professionals like you to bring their dream spaces to life. Here's how you can turn your digital presence into a lead generating machine. Number one, showcase your work on social media. Post before and afters, share client testimonials, and use reels to highlight the process. Number two, run paid ads if you have some extra budget. You can run paid ads on Facebook and Google to target homeowners in your area. And finally, educate your audience with blogs, blog posts, and of course, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram videos. Walk them through transformations or share simple DIY tips to position yourself as the expert. And don't forget, every post, every video should have a clear call to action. What does that mean? If you offer free estimates, then say at the end of your helpful tip, call me for a free estimate, click the link if you're putting a URL, if you're sending them to a website or something like that. Next up, let's talk about automation, your secret weapon for saving time and scaling your business. Resolution number two, automate business operations. Stop wasting time on manual tasks. Here's what you can automate in your business. Number one, use AI tools like Handoff for fast cost estimates and proposals. Number two, implement project management platforms like Buildertrend to track schedules, budgets, and communications. And finally, automate routine tasks like appointment reminders or invoicing. The result, more time to do what you love, remodeling homes, and of course, helping people. Remember, happy clients don't just bring repeat business, they bring referrals. So let's focus on strengthening those client relationships. So resolution number three, strengthen client relationships. Keep communication clear and frequent. Use tools to update clients in real time and go the extra mile with personalized gestures like thank you emails, cards, or maintenance tips, things like that. And here's a pro tip. Stay connected even after the project ends with check-in emails, holiday cards, or referral incentives. Just like there are tools to help you create estimates in minutes, there are softwares that make staying in touch with your leads and clients on a regular basis very easy and almost hands-free. If you need a recommendation for any of these softwares, just ask me in the comments. So, do you want to boost your revenue in 2025? Let's talk about expanding your services and upsells. Resolution number four, offer more services and upsells. I want you to think beyond just the basics. Add high demand services like outdoor living spaces or smart home integrations. Try to follow and think about the newest trends that are coming up that people are searching for or thinking about doing to their house. You want to partner also with specialists to bundle these services and upsell premium features like energy efficient upgrades. Personally, I'm seeing a lot of contractors in my area partner with an interior designer to offer a complete package interior design of the space with the general contracting remodeling side of things all in one. Not only does this increase revenue, but it also positions you as a one-stop solution. So next up on the resolution list, I want you to start thinking about building a rock-solid referral network. This is kind of a perfect segue into this resolution to build a better referral network. The best people to collaborate in the construction remodeling business are people like real estate agents, interior designers, like I just mentioned, and other similar service providers. Offer referral rewards like gift cards or discounts. Don't forget to attend local events or join online communities. There's plenty of them in all major city areas to stay visible and to build connections. And people will start seeing your name. And so when you reach out to them, they're going to think, oh, I remember seeing something about this guy on in that local Facebook group. My favorite referral partners are real estate agents because they're perfect as they speak with home sellers who may need to update their home before putting it on the market. And they connect with home buyers all the time who want to change something in the house they are considering buying. It's a perfect referral partner because they're having very similar conversations as to the ones that you're having with homeowners. Next up, your business is only as strong as your team. That's why tightening up your team and your crew is resolution number 6. You obviously want to work with top-notch subcontractors. So invest in professional development for yourself and for your subcontractors, which will help just foster a good culture of excellence and will put you as the leader that they look up to. You want to take time to thoroughly vet your subcontractors, ensuring not only that they have the technical skills that you're looking for, but also align with your company values. Because these subcontractors are communicating and connecting with the homeowners. It's just not you. They're also the face of your business and your brand. So you want to encourage ongoing training, pay for it if you can, if you have the ability to, for both your employees, if you have any, and for sure your subcontractors, especially in areas that are trending like energy efficiency, helping them come across as more professional, project management, and of course, any specialty skills that they can become better at, because it's going to be great for them and of course, good for you and scaling your business. You also want to try to create an environment where your team feels supported and motivated. Definitely recognize achievements if they're mentioned in a review or something like that. And then from there, you can kind of offer growth opportunities and of course, always maintaining clear communication and transparency. So we can't talk about New Year's resolutions without talking about cash money. Every New Year's resolution for a business owner and entrepreneurs has to do with money as well as it should. So financial goals are the backbone of any successful business, right? So resolution number 7, set clear financial goals. So how do you do this? You can do it in a lot of different ways. First, adjust your pricing strategy to reflect those rising costs and focus on getting more of those higher margin type of projects. So whatever that means for your business. And it's a good idea to build a rainy day fund. Sometimes the clients just aren't there. So it's good to have a little rainy day fund, little nest egg to keep your business and your mind running stress-free. It's always good to set clear, measurable targets to keep your business profitable and prepared for the unexpected. That's another reason I'm shooting this video, because if you're doing the digital marketing, you're reaching out, you're staying in touch with your clients, you're going to have a lot more lead sources, which helps to avoid those dry periods where you might not have a job for a couple of months. And if you have the ability to, definitely set aside an ad budget or maybe hire someone to create social media content to get more leads online. The more places that you can get eyeballs for your offers and your business, the more leads are going to be coming in. Which brings me to resolution number 8. You want to do everything you can to elevate your professionalism and your overall design. So what does this mean? You want to offer detailed timelines, use 3D rendering tools for visualizations. Think about those reality TV shows that do these transformations. They do these amazing visuals and everyone's always just blown away. I know it costs a little bit more, but if you're trying to tap into the luxury market and you're doing these things, you're much more likely to get that project. And of course, you want to stay ahead of design trends as well as construction trends. This is why it's helpful to partner with a good interior designer who can help you stay on top of these design trends and then help you on site to seem more professional, to seem like you are on top of things, because you are. You don't have to fake it. Professionalism and stunning designs, they build a lot of trust, and of course, they foster a lot of referrals. So you want to prepare better quality proposals and estimates in a timely manner. You and I know that in the construction world, trust is hard to earn and keep because you can lose it right away. And if you're offering things, you're over promising and under delivering, your estimates are taking too long, those are going to prevent you not only from getting the job, but think about every client as talking to friends and family. So one client that you blow away can turn into tons of clients you'll never be hurting for business. And remember, you don't have to break the bank to compete with these larger construction companies that offer things like this. It just takes a little bit to be better than most people. All right, so we have resolution number 9, 2 more to go. So what does it take to become a better business owner, person, entrepreneur? It takes a growth mindset. So resolution number 9, I want you to focus on growth. Every entrepreneur should prioritize growth in all areas of life. Growth just isn't about growing your business. It's about growing your personal brand, your personal and professional development, and of course, your knowledge. So you want to use more and learn more about softwares to automate your tasks, convert your leads, generate your leads, and ultimately to minimize your paperwork. I like to say you want to try to find ways to work on your business instead of in your business. So working in your business or driving back and forth, creating estimates and sending proposals and invoices and managing your subcontractors. If you find ways to save you an hour every day, that's 5 to 7 hours every week. And then as you get better, you learn more softwares, you can potentially be saving 5 to 10 hours every week. Just think about what you can do with that time. Spend more time with your family, spend time on a hobby, spend time growing and scaling your business. Just by watching this video, it proves to me that you are a smart contractor who wants to grow in 2025 and beyond. So think about prioritizing building your brand presence online, especially, and of course in the community to establish yourself as the go-to expert in your field. Growth just isn't about, taking on more projects. It's about scaling strategically to ensure that success is sustainable and predictable, and of course, increasing that profitability. So one way to grow, I'm going to give you an idea right here, is to expand into new markets. The last resolution here, expand into new markets. Consider exploring high margin opportunities, specifically like in the luxury renovations. ADUs are really popular in my area, or tiny home construction is another booming market. So think about like things that are currently trending, and then you can kind of go from there as to what, resonates with what you're really good at. How can you easily add something else? So these specific niches are growing and can position you as an innovator in your market. And of course, you can expand beyond offering different services. Maybe you can expand your service area or open another branch in a nearby city. Like in my area in Austin, Texas, many contractors open up a second location in San Antonio, which is only about an hour away. But that really opens up the potential for new opportunities and not very far away. You can have another GC in that area for you don't have to be traveling so much. So one takeaway from this video is don't just think, but think big. These 10 New Year's resolutions aren't just goals. They're a roadmap to transforming your business in 2025. Start small though, stay consistent, and watch the results roll in. So what's your top resolution for 2025? Drop it in the comments below and let's crush this year together. If you found this video at all helpful, definitely subscribe to our channel for more tips to grow your remodeling business. Let's build something incredible.